In this tutorial, we are going to look at the use of the SOLIDWORKS hole wizard and the linear pattern tool by recreating the pattern of holes shown in this model of a heat exchanger body. We have already used the extruded cut tool to produce simple holes in models. The use of the hole wizard has an advantage in that it contains a library of different types of hole which can be inserted into a model. These holes include tapped holes, counterbore or countersunk holes, straight or tapered holes. The use of the hole wizard is a two-stage operation. Stage 1 is to input the detail of the hole. Stage 2 is to specify the hole position. The position of the hole can be specified within the hole wizard or by means of a separate sketch. So let's have a go at using the hole wizard on a copy of this model. Select the hole wizard on the Features toolbar. The first option is to select the type of hole. Let's choose Straight Tap, which is a threaded hole. Select the appropriate standard, in this case ANSI metric. Choose the thread size. And input the hole depth and the thread depth. It is good practice to countersink the top and bottom of holes to provide a start for the thread and to remove any sharp edges. As this is a blind hole, there is no option to countersink the underside edge. With the hole type options completed, we now need to specify the hole position. Click on the Positions tab. Select the face on which to place the hole. Then move to a top view. The hole can be placed and then accurately positioned with the Smart Dimension tool. If you are happy with the hole position, click on the tick to select OK. Click on the tick again to exit the hole wizard. And move back to an isometric view. The tapped hole will not appear as being threaded, but the various information about the hole is stored so it can easily be transferred into an engineering drawing. Another method of placing the hole involves first producing a sketch containing the hole position information. Let's first delete the hole we've just produced. And open a sketch on the top face of the model. Switch to a top view and using the point tool, roughly position the hole centre. Accurately place the hole position using the Smart Dimension tool. And exit the sketch. Select the Hole Wizard again and check the hole type options. And click onto the Positions tab. This time, click on the 3D Sketch button. Use the intelligent cursor to locate the sketch point. Left click and select OK. This method of specifying the hole position first in a separate sketch works best when there are multiple holes to produce. Use whichever method you are comfortable with. We now need to copy the hole around the outside edge of the model. Select Linear Pattern, and the first thing to do is to select the Feature to Pattern. Expand the Feature Manager design tree and click on the M3 tapped hole. Switch to a top view and highlight the pattern direction box. Click on one of the outside horizontal edges of the model. Check the direction arrow is facing the right way and then specify the center distance and the number of instances required. For direction 2, specify one of the vertical model edges. Check the direction arrow, specify the center distance and the number required. The hole is patterned on the outside face of the model, but we also have a series of unwanted holes. In the Linear Pattern Manager, scroll down and open the Instances to Skip box. Click on the dot to remove the unwanted holes. If you're happy with that, select OK. And return to an isometric view. The linear pattern has been added to the Feature Manager. The hole created using the Hole Wizard and the linear pattern can both be edited by right-clicking and selecting Edit Feature.